Access Server includes a setting that lets you block traffic between connected VPN clients. Keep in mind that this is the default setting, but it's always a good idea to check and make sure it's enabled. When client isolation is enabled, users can still access the network resources you've granted them, such as internal servers, applications, and services. However, they won't be able to communicate directly with other connected VPN clients. This is useful for keeping users isolated and reducing the risk of lateral movement across your VPN. To configure this, sign in to the Admin Web UI. Click Access Controls, then open the Interclient Communication tab. Under Global Interclient Communication, make sure Isolate All Users is selected. You can also allow administrator accounts to access connected VPN users. With this setting enabled, administrators can connect to client VPN IP addresses, while regular users remain isolated from one another. Need to create an exception for a specific user? Click Users, then select the user you want to update. On the User Settings page, scroll down to the Networking section. Check the box for Allow Access from all other VPN clients, then click Save and Restart. That user can now receive traffic from other VPN clients, even though global client isolation is enabled.